Migao mar arita Laktar Raymond Omollo twak kod jofwambo ka oyango ikruoge moseketi ni nyasi mar Madaraka makiny timore kaunti no ma Wajir. Winjane kaka ochiwo ler gi sani.
Celebrations is themed around education and skills development. We have had a long week engagement led by the Ministry of Education, focusing on the issues of education within the country, both basic and higher education as well as technical education. Now, this event happening in Wajir, which is in the northern part of the country, is significant in the sense that it's happening for the first time, but also it's opening up the north, a region that has been known to be problematic with matters security. As part of these celebrations, there are a lot of developments that have been undertaken. The infrastructure on roads, the development of the stadium, the expansion of electricity access, the expansion, of course, of access to water and sanitation services. And we've been able to also have very good engagements and support from the county government of Wajir, led by Governor Wajir, together with the leaders from this great county of Wajir. Now, when you look at the whole sum total of what has gone into preparing for this celebration, we have spent as a government close to 4 billion shillings just to help in improving the infrastructure. And this is alongside the other development that is going on across the county, whether it's in housing, whether it's in the building and construction of markets for the business community, the expansion of the road infrastructure, not just within Wajir town, but within the entirety of Wajir County. Actually, as we speak, His Excellency the President is in Wajir County inspecting a number of programs, including last mile electricity connection. We expect the President to arrive in the town later today. He will have a session with the leadership ahead of tomorrow's celebrations, and after the celebrations he will still stay behind in Wajir before progressing to the other parts of northern Kenya as part of his development tour in the region. Lastly, on matter security is to first of all assure the people of Wajir, the people of northern Kenya, and the country at large that we have made adequate security arrangements to enable us have a successful celebrations. But even beyond the celebrations, we have invested a lot as a government in terms of the security infrastructure, working with the communities, improving the capacity of the security agencies across the country. And you will attest to the fact that we have experienced a stable security situation, not just in northern Kenya, but across the length and breadth of the country. So finally is to welcome everybody again to tomorrow's celebrations, and we are looking forward to showcasing the best that Wajir has, the best that northern Kenya has for the rest of the country. Thank you.